Hello, my name is Michayla Omerzo, and I am an undergraduate student here at Eastern Kentucky University. Today, I will be talking to you about how coloring mandalas can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. I chose this topic because coloring is something I love to do to help me relax. A mandala is a circular design that contains a geometric configuration of symbols. Some mandalas have pictures of objects in them, while others do not. The word itself comes from Sanskrit and is associated with a sense of wholeness and healing. A mandala's circular design is an important factor in reducing stress and anxiety. However, it is important to first know what stressors are and what causes our bodies to feel anxious. A stressor is defined as a stimulus that elicits a stress response. The sympathetic nervous system, also known as our flight or fight system, is the main biological system that responds to these stressors. Norepinephrine is released throughout the brain by the sympathetic nervous system. The amygdala and hippocampus are the major brain regions involved in this process. This is what causes our heartbeat to speed up, our blood pressure to rise, and sweat to start pouring out. When I first started trying to color to help myself relieve symptoms like these, I was not feeling much better. The type of coloring I was doing was the problem. Take this blank piece of paper, for example. When we color on a blank piece of paper, it is referred to as freeform coloring. However, this style of coloring offers no complexity, no structure, or no direction. Those who participate in this type of coloring report that their stress and anxiety levels do not decrease, but instead plateaus. They are forced to decide what to color next, therefore taking away time for them to relax and color, and adding more time for them to strenuously try to think of something in a short amount of time. On the other hand, mandalas can cause those coloring them to reach a state of deep engagement by providing structure and direction. The predetermined design of mandalas help organize the thoughts and chaos of those who are coloring them. Just like this butterfly, a mandala looks the same on the left side as it does on the right. Coloring this symmetrical form, with its repeating patterns and complexity, helps to draw individuals into a state similar to that of meditation. Meditation is the practice of calmly limiting attention and thought through the use of mental exercises. It has been proven to be beneficial for general anxiety. Those who color mandalas seem to be put in a meditative-like state that helps them reduce their own anxiety. Unlike those who participate in freeform coloring, stress and anxiety levels went down for those who color mandalas. These designs offer enough complexity without requiring excessive thought or focus. Another design that offers some direction and structure that's similar to mandalas is plaid. It offers enough interest to draw people in and creates a distraction for them to forget about any previous anxiety-inducing experiences they may have had. Those who color a plaid design experience about the same amount of decrease in stress and anxiety levels as those who color mandala. Even though it lacks the circular form that a mandala offers, it drew participants into a meditative-like state as well. It has been suggested that mandala's circular form offers a centering effect. This argument is based on Jung's idea that the mandala's circular form represents the unity of our unconscious and conscious self. This is one of the underlying mechanisms researched that could contribute to mandala's anxiety-reducing efforts. Another underlying mechanism looked at is structure. Just like this toothpick tower's structure is stable but not overly complicated, so is the mandala's. While too much structure causes a disinterest, some is needed to avoid feeling lost and unaware of what to do. The final underlying mechanism researched is the distraction effect. This is when a design is complex enough to maintain the person's attention and distract them from thinking about whatever is causing them to feel stressed or anxious. Since, as I previously said, plaid has a clear structure and direction like mandalas, it was looked at too for the distraction effect. While research could not form any conclusions about this effect because of outside factors, it is still believed that plaid would draw people in the same way a mandala would. Overall, mandalas are more than just a cool-looking, fun design to color. Their circular design, the amount of structure they offer, and how easily they draw us in are what aids in lowering our stress and anxiety levels. This is beneficial for everyone to know because stress and anxiety is something people of all ages and cultures experience. Thank you for watching my video. As it comes to an end, I would like to leave you with this quote by Bailey Cunningham. Awareness of the mandala may have the potential of changing how we see ourselves, our planet, and perhaps even our own life purpose.